I have been slandered and defamed, and I am not happy, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. Apparently, there's this rag news organization called Reddins Media, reddinsmedia.com. This is probably the most attention this freaking website ever got from anybody. And somebody named M. Morton wrote a very interesting article that featured Jeremy Financial Education and Strongman Personal Finance. And let me give you a guess. Whose side did this guy take? Did he take Strongman's side? Of course not. Let's go ahead and dive into this article because this is just outrageous what this guy said, okay? So, first of all, this guy writes a fluff piece on Jeremy Lefebvre. When it comes to YouTube personal finance channels, perhaps one of the most popular and well-known is Financial Education, hosted by Jeremy Lefebvre. Actually, Jeremy hosts more than one YouTube channel, that's right. So he keeps fluffing Jeremy here about how Jeremy, he had a portfolio of $200,000 by the age of 25, and how Jeremy has a net worth of $10 million, blah, 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 and how Jeremy's success story is an incredible one. Yes, so successful and amazing, because Jeremy made all of his freaking money from shilling courses, not from his stock picks. But this absolute rag organization, Reddins Media, doesn't seem to really do their due diligence about these people now, does he? And funny enough, his educational company, Financial Fortress, apparently had 5,000 students. Well, the last I checked, it was down to like 1,600. Woo, baby! That's what happens when your clown stocks collapse 80 to 90% apiece. Now, where does Strongman Personal Finance come in here? Apparently, this guy watched one of my YouTube videos. Now, this all started when I discovered that Jeremy was being investigated by a serious organization. On June 4th, 2021, Jeremy published a rather disturbing video wherein he mentioned that he was being investigated by a serious organization, who some on YouTube concluded to be the SEC. Why they didn't crack down on him? I don't know, because I guess Jeremy can just do whatever he wants. For financially advising his students or viewers to buy or sell certain stocks, or in essence that he was operating a pump and dump scheme. In the video, which Jeremy later took down, he attempted to coyly explain some derogatory Discord chat room comments that had been made regarding his lack of attendance and such. Yeah, you sell your grifter course, you basically pump a bunch of garbage stocks, you don't even participate in the Discord, and you get to pocket all the cash. How can you lose? So pursuant to that, Alex Petrie, another lesser-known YouTuber, posted Jeremy's video with the following subtext. Now, before we see how Jeremy reacted to this and how I come into this all, I have to shout out my sponsor, Home Services CPA. If you run a business and you have employees and you have income and expenses and you file a tax return every year, which, by the way, you should be doing, you need a competent accounting firm, a competent CPA to do your payroll, bookkeeping, and taxes for you. Because I can assure you, as a CPA myself who works on the tax realm, you can very easily screw up your accounting and your taxes. And when you do, you will be absolutely hammered by not only the federal government, but by your state authorities. You need to have a competent person do your payroll, bookkeeping, and taxes. And that's why I recommend HomeServiceCPA.com. And if you sign up using my discount code STRONGMAN, it'll be in the description of this video and a pinned comment, you get to save $200. Get yourself a competent payroll, bookkeeping, and tax accountant now before you make an error that could absolutely destroy your business and have the government crack down on you. HomeServiceCPA.com. Now here's where Strongman comes in, okay? So Alex Petrie, this hero, posted the video that Jeremy privately posted in his Discord. And apparently it looks like Jeremy got it taken down, right? Well, Strongman Personal Finance, also had a reaction, and I get featured in this article right here. While Alex Petrie sought to make Jeremy's courses and stock picks free to anyone for the asking, YouTuber Strongman Personal Finance took a more bellicose approach to calling out Jeremy. Strongman is a certified public accountant, that's right, bussies, an Army veteran, as well as former financial advisor, sadly that's true too, who decided to post a stinging response video. Let's go ahead and pull this up and see if this is actually correct.
If you want to take full
Quiet, boy.
control of your sales pipeline.
I said quiet. Jeremy from Financial Education is under investigation by the SEC for pump and dump. Bah, ha, 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 ha. I got 2,000 views, of course. Nothing. The pejorative-laden video had Strongman singing disparaging lyrics. I wouldn't do that. Come on. And mocking Jeremy as he reviewed Jeremy's owning up video. The Strongman's video brought back memories of playground taunts and provocations. Yeah, because it's totally bad. It's a terrible thing if I, make fun of Jeremy and sing disparaging lyrics, whatever that means. That's so terrible that needs to be mentioned in an article. It needs to be specifically highlighted. But on top of that, Jeremy, I guess, is the innocent one because, he's nice. He doesn't say insults. He's a very friendly guy. Guess what, Bussy boy, whoever wrote this article? Jeremy deserved this, okay? He 100% deserved all the hate and taunting that I did because I was proven 100% right that this guy's a freaking fraud. And all the hate that I've given him, all the anger and bile that I have thrown this way has been proven to be 100% justified. But here's this clown writing this article about it. Oh, it reminds me of playground taunts and provocations. Yeah, I'm the bad guy. So much so that it began to appear as though Strongman had a personal undisclosed vendetta. Yeah, my vendetta is I hate absolutely disgusting grifting scum that charge people up to $20,000, that are fake gurus, that literally freaking steal. That's what I think it is. I think it's freaking stealing. Steal people's money and destroy their financial lives. And what is their reward? More money. It's sick and disgusting. Perhaps it had to do with a misappropriated grilled cheese sandwich or something. Who knows? Okay? What a freaking loser. Are you serious? You're going to say that I got some, I'm basically a middle schooler. I basically remind people of the playground. Apparently, I have this, bitter vendetta because somebody stole my grilled cheese sandwich. No, it's because Jeremy's a freaking scammer, okay? But this guy doesn't like me because I didn't say nice words. And here's the final comment. Here's what is the icing on the cake. As far as I'm concerned, Jeremy is a good time and at times a good guy and at times can be very entertaining. Oh my God, how bad has this article aged? How much of a rag is Reddit's media that they could keep this article up where I, Christopher Bell, was insulted, was basically accused of having repressed memories, and that's why I'm so bitter at Jeremy, when in fact I was 100% right about his scumbaggery and degeneracy, and how this clown, this author, this article blog poster, thinks that Jeremy is a good guy? Get the F out of here. All right, guys, that's it. This is a joke. Reddit's, what is this garbage? Everybody go. I'll put this in the description of my video. This is a freaking joke. September 7th, 2021. And don't forget to check out homeservicecpa.com. You guys have a wonderful day. Cheers.